Are you looking for a reliable and effortless way to convert your EML emails into MBOX format while keeping every attachment, folder, and email property perfectly intact? Welcome to WholeClear EML to MBOX Converter, your all-in-one solution to export or import EML files to Mac Mail, the BAT, and more with complete accuracy and safety. Key features of WholeClear EML to MBOX Converter. Standalone and secure conversion. No external application required, ensures a safe and independent export process. User-friendly interface. Designed for simplicity and smooth user experience. Preserves folder hierarchy. Maintains the same folder structure during conversion. Retains all email properties. Keeps all metadata, attachments, and email formatting intact. How to export all EML emails into a single MBOX file using WholeClear software. Step 1. Select the EML file format. After completing the installation, launch the software. In the first window, choose Select EML File Format, .ml, then click Next to continue. Step 2. Add EML files. You can select multiple EML files, or choose a folder containing EML files. Click Browse to locate and load the desired files from your system. After adding them, press Next. You can also use the Add More Files option to include additional EML files if needed. Step 3. Choose the MBOX file format. From the available output formats, select Convert to MBOX format, then click Next to proceed. Step 4. Apply filters and set output path. Use the date filter to export emails within a specific date range. Choose the export file format and define a naming convention. Specify whether to create a single MBOX or multiple MBOX files. Finally, click Browse to set the output location and press Convert now to begin the conversion. That's it. Your EML files are instantly converted into MBOX format with complete accuracy and zero data loss. So, what are you waiting for? Simplify your email conversion today with WholeClear EML to MBOX Converter, where reliability meets convenience. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.